but the roofing is not really, I'm not sure if it's calling like renovation, but I am not sure because I don't know how the what to say that one because really the house when they have a store is completely destroyed. So the the problem that we have right now is in their room, their bedroom. That if you can see, I want to show you because sometimes I don't. Sometimes I feel shy to ask for them, right? So I'm on the offer to help them. So Tatay, Tatay, the husband of Nanay Asuncion, told me 50, 20 roof, like 20-meter roof. So I am asking to my worker if how much the one roof, the meter roof. They said is 460 pesos. So I just put like this, a 20 roof. So around maybe 20,000 pesos. So around $400. But it's up to you guys if you it it's up to you guys if you want to help. It depends on you into your heart to give it not to give it to give to help. Okay, and look at this. I will show you in my video. Oh, I'm Sri Lloyd. Okay. Iko, hi Janet. I am here with Nane Asuncion. You see, you can see. There oh, please, May, don't forget. Okay, like here. At least very soon we can. Yeah. That's si Nanay Asuncion. O si Nanay o si Tatay. Hello, Nay. Say hi, hello, Nay. Hi, hello. Hi, hello, Janet.
Hi, hello, Dai.
Janet, okay, ingon siya. Na, look, they have a nice flower here. Look. But Cirilo is not here, so I am the only one come here. They're nice. Look at the flower. Okay. So, okay na, ayo lang kabalakan na. Okay. Pero ako ning kuan niya kay basig. Okay, here we go. But Janet, I will tell you later. Nay, pero napamay kay Sin diha nay no? Napamay kay Sin. Na Oh, okay guys. Yeah, I'm talking about after that Nanay Asuncion, I went to the students that I'm helping also to giving for their snack. Okay, I give snacks for them because they're having activities in the city. So oh my goodness guys, pertigo. Karon asa man ako ni siya ita nga perti man ita. Ug ana ra ta. Dili mo ko ni siya isa. Anak ba? Anak siya. Now I am driving. ko guys. Drive na ko. Mani kalon. Drive ko. Ito sa mura mag-init tayo. Uy, kaya nakulupad ang aking halo guys. Nakulupad yun siya. Kaya nga no, naamang ko dari, nag-drive ang motor. So, mura kaluparan ang akong kalo guys. Mahunong sa ko kadyot ha, kay mulupad yun siya. Mulupad yun siya. Ang kalo. Mulupad siya akong kalot tanawa. Mulupad siya akong kalot. Magkuhan ko, magmotor ko para ito na siya. Ito na ko. Magkuhan ta, mag-vlog ta para na siya. So, dira kulba kaya akong kuhan akong GoPro guys kay murag kuya murag wala dyan siya nahimutan dili siya mahin pagkamutan anak na siya anak guy anak na siya anawa anak ba anak ba na siya tara guys tala under the port wala ka na punta guys kay matata sa akong amigo na dagsay dagsing karon kay di man ta po pwede naaykuan di man ta pwede yung natay sounds dito kay madi mo natin man ta so ato di siya asa ga dito maybe I think it's in here yeah. So, malikot ta. Dili pa ko kayo kabisado ha guys ha. So, karo. Nalagyan. Nagkilatudan na yun akong GoPro ning dagan na. Tara, tara. Kaya di magkod na siya. Ana na siya. Okay na siya anak ko magkana siya muna siguro na siya sige highball na punta tara muliko na po siya highball na punta tara brum mag-brum ko guys kay lagi kuan man ta mag-soroy anak na siya nindot man yun anak ba so ram ta kay nindot siya guys very nice here to ride but it's so hot it's better if morning like around 6 o'clock 6 o'clock in the morning or 6 o'clock also or 5 o'clock in the afternoon hapon because it's too cold it's too hot here so I think yes look at siya Viking. Okay. Dahil sa unang sa takay nakuan man siya ning balikog man siya o aton pag aton ni anak siya. Hala nabali siya.
Dumi lang siya ko. Hello everyone. Thank you Ate Nidas. Tagaan niya og sponsor from
Ay, ipakita
Basta tagaan niya. Thank you Ate Nida. Lo magkugopo lagi siya te.
Gwapo kay kadung.
Magkakuan.
Go.
Wala mo ni gamito siguro sa mga artista mag-vlog sila. Kanang portable ra bitaw. Nadali ra masuksok.
Well,
No.
mahulog na siya sa dagat. Di
Wide
na
man di ay siya.
mahulog na siya sa dagat. Di na siya makuan, dili na siya maguba.
No makanindot lagi siya te.
Ah,
Mura ka nang labo pa sa iPhone.
kung sa may video nimo o magkuan saya.
Wa basta random ra
Si kuan tapo si Juday, Mas Juday pa.
mag-post ra gud mig kisay tayo naka video na mo performance.
Daghan ba matan-aw nimo nakasapit man ka ng Facebook.
Aw daghan bitaw.
Pila na may imong mga subscriber?
Followers ako amo ga YouTube.
Followers. Dili mag-subscribe bitaw ka sa Facebook.
Aw naapod.
Kuan magbayad ba ka?
Aw naa bitaw bayad.
Bayad.
Lindot kayo te.
Asa mo kung diretso lang wala to?
Oh, dito gawas na niya. Straight rawan ah.
Primero?
Thank you Ate Nida. My God. From nag-live naman to ako gabi pero na may sponsor. Dugay ra man jud ka na to gabi kay tudak to. Thank you so much. Laganan ko ani ti pohon-pohon.
Ako ni ipasa nimo para makuan sa imong Facebook.
Ah,
Ha?
lumakaputi pa jud si Ja.
Gwapa ka ikaw.
Gwapa ka landag.
Ang katong ako ang kuan amo ko'y DJI Mimo nga.
Ang sa po'y likod ana.
Ikaw na diha o.
Ah, kuya wa siya
Mo
we.
back to back man ni pero wala na ko gamita ana.
Indot.
Indot ikaw na gwapa ka ikaw.
Nice kayo. Pwede pa siya picture te.
Oh, picture pa ni siya.
Banduta di ay na siya.
Picture pa siya. Sige na lakaw na kay kita. Kuan na sila na. Kay ikaw may leader? Mao kung gidalaan ka na ko ana. Kay
Master
maadto
ko.
sa init kayo.
Oo.
Pwede mo na siya isuot.
Ako ben man master nila.
Ikaw ang master nila.
Hello, girl. Thank you ate ha. Sana ko
Ako
ikaw
maging
nga.
si Kuya Richard nga. Ako ning dalon kay leader man si Sammy, then ako ihatag niya. Nya di ako nimo kuyogon ko unya na. Kay wa pata kabalo og asa ta padulong. So kung gingan ako sa kay makabalot ta mo anhin na gani.
O den siya.
Mo dai do na amo
Pero diri duo ra man dira.
Di anak do.
Og ara lagi.
Pero naa suok.
Ah, oh, naso.
Naa suok ngano na amo ni suok.
Mga 300 kilometers po.
Oh, layo-layo no. Sige mo ra to. Sige.
Bye everyone. Thank you.
Inyo sa
Ate
may yung
Nida.
paliton ana.
Kuan ni bibili kami nito ng mga iba ding mga gagamitin namin sa Gaman Lair. Guys, we need your support. Incoming on May 9, 2025.
Sige,
Morning.
ako post ha. Sige,
Thank you
bye-bye.
so much.
After the students that I give my donation for them for snacks, they are very happy. He is very happy. I come back home and I do another course. So I made my shrimp, I have my mango, my grocery, and that's it. Yeah, look, a nice one. Look, oh, very nice. I can buy a mango. This is unboxing mango here, mango bread here. But the other one is squid there, danggit, fish, and apple, and banana candy. Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon. I want to show you my very yummy fruits. I have a mango, look the mango that I get into the mall, and also I have a banana. You know this one is they call lakatan. This is a special lakatan, not too much but it's more. And I have also my avocado. See, look at my avocado. Is very yummy also, my avocado. And I have this green velvet cake. Yeah, I put in here because I love to. And also syrup. It's very nice. Yeah, to the mango, avocado, and lakatan. Yeah, we need to show the lakatan because that's our, and also our cake na from into the mall. See, it's very nice guys, very nice. So This one, I want to eat this because I think this one is they're going to be ripe, right? And also, I have my mango, so we can eat this later. But I want to make sure that everything is in order, right? It's very nice. Look at that. I'm so happy for this fruits that I find it. You know, the mango here in Philippines is very cheap. This one, it's so smell good. It's so big and is very nice. Yeah. So I was so very interesting because the other whole of like this is we already finished eating. So and because when we are having breakfast, I make mango, I have a banana, and I have avocado, and I have my cake for dessert. But I didn't show because we are very simple. So yeah, that's it, and I will show later again, and see you next time. Guys, that's it. Thank you so much for your watching for my video. Please, I know my video is mixed, but I hope you understand it, and I really appreciate it for your support. And if not you guys, I am not here right now, and I am keep going, and I hope they have another mixed video that it's interested in you. And please the comments and the likes and share, and also the suggestion or advice is accepted, because I don't know anything too much about YouTube. But that's it, and thank you so much again. Thank you for watching, and the people who support my channel, and the people who wants to help me in Nanay Asuncion's house, especially Janet. She gave me a little, and I really appreciate it, Janet. And yeah, the cost of the roof, I want to tell you, is because they said they want like 20 roof, so 4 times 2, so I think around 10. I think around $400. Uh, that's what I'm just thinking. $400. Okay, thank you. And again, bye. Shout out to Janet and his service, and Kenny to go, William, uh, Motubaong, every one of you guys. You are the very helpful person, very nice. Okay, thank you again. Bye bye.